Finding your TD Bank account number is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to the official website of TD Bank, that is td.com. Firstly, let's see how you can find your bank account and routing number. So, in order to find account number, keep in mind it is located to the right of the routing number at the bottom of your TD Bank check. Here you can find this number on your statement. Then on the TD banking app and in online banking, you can find this in the account details section. Next, call customer service, which is available 24/7. Phone number is available right here. If you are unable to access your account number through any of these methods, consider contacting TD Bank customer support by phone or through their online messaging system. They can provide you with the account number after verifying your identity. This is how you can find your TD Bank account number. Always ensure that you keep your account number secure and avoid sharing it with unauthorized individuals or websites. It's also important to note that TD Bank account numbers are unique to each account. So, make sure you are accessing the correct account if you have multiple accounts with the bank.